darts, dominoes, Looney, checkers. It's the ultimate chill spot, the Friday chill spot, the Fish Fest at 209th Street and 115th Avenue between Francis Lewis Boulevard and Springfield Boulevard in Queens. Ultimate respect to all supporters and entrepreneurs. We invite you to come out on a Friday night for the Friday night chill spot. It's a Fish Fest in Camera Heights. To expedite your order, call 917-648-2359 on arrival.
Sponsored by Culture Jam Radio and Energy Radio 1.
Just me and you, oh baby.
Jamaicans are the most vibrant and brilliant people, hands down. We are the best.
We make our country proud everywhere we go.
Wearing our black, green, and gold with pride.
And now, we're all bravely
Rising to the occasion again.
By staying at home to protect each other.
Our doctors, our nurses, our medical workers,
Our security services
and other essential service providers
have taken the charge to keep us safe.
But we can play our part
by washing our hands with soap and water,
coughing inside our elbows,
avoid touching your face,
stay 6 feet apart from each other whenever you're in public, and most importantly, stay home. We're all in this fight, united and strong.
Some of us might be alone,
but know that we are all connected.
And we'll emerge from this even stronger.
Jamaica, stay connected, stay home, and stay safe.
Oh boy. What's wrong with you, girl? Oh Lord, I'm having all kinds of immigration problems and nobody can help me. Look no further. Consider your troubles over. Call Marina M. Blake Esquire at Blake & Associates PC. Yes, that's Marina M. Blake Esquire at the law offices of Blake & Associates PC, 65 Broadway, Suite 714, New York, New York, 10006-2896. Telephone 212-363-6460. That's 212-363-6460. The law offices of Blake & Associates PC, specializing in difficult, complex immigration issues. Oh, that's good, but I have all kinds of problems. Worry not, they're also tops in matrimonial, family court, and criminal cases, serving the diaspora with pride and vigilance. Wait no more. Call Marina M. Blake Esquire at the law offices of Blake & Associates PC, 212-363-6460. What you waiting for? Call now.
Hey party fans, it's party time again. The return of Jimmy Starsky with RainCloud Stepping Sunday. RainCloud Stepping Sundays continue. RainCloud Stepping Sundays return on Sunday, August 9th at an outdoor venue located at 199-16, 120th Avenue in Queens. We party from 6 p.m. until 3 a.m. with music by Baby Q from Libra Love Machine. Admission is only $10 for RainCloud Stepping Sunday. Food on the house and a cash bar. Sunday, August 9th. Come celebrate the return, cause it's party time again. The return of Jimmy Starsky, Mr. Entertainment himself, and RainCloud Stepping Sunday. We party just like RainCloud Sundays back in Jamaica. We're right here in New York City, each and every Sunday for summer and fall. We party from 6 p.m. until 3 a.m. at an outdoor venue, 129-16, 120th Avenue in Queens. Admission only $10. RainCloud Stepping Sundays. It's back.
Oh, na. Bless God, this is Richard Spice represent, and my new album is out now, together we stand on all digital platforms. So log in, stay in, Rasta love.
Together we stand, brothers.
When Jack come from Bosrock with his garment tipped in blood, say the tackle red and red. Gospel lovers, reggae lovers are gospel, dancehall lovers are gospel. It's all about Kokodo. That's right, Kokodo, the new album, Jerusalem. This is a special treat. Gospel lovers, Pokemania lovers, the smash hit. Thank you, Jesus. Say thank you, Jesus. The title track of Kokodo's album, Jerusalem. make you plant the cold in a me yard. It's all about Kookadoo's new album, Jerusalem, on Touch Records. Available on all digital platforms worldwide.
Well, I must say a pleasant good morning to you all, the listeners out there. It doesn't matter where you're listening from or tuning in from. I just want to say enough love and respect. And keep tuning in. We love you. We appreciate you. And this is another Saturday with the musical edition. Yes. And we're going to have a good time again. Yes, whether you're at work, whether you're home, whether you're driving, we're just gonna have you rocking because this is Energy Radio 1 and this is how we do it. Yes, and we just have to say, you know, this COVID thing just have way away, you know, but we just have to keep strong anyway. Yes, embrace each other. Yeah, man, I just always go, you know. Yes, we just wanna big up some of the people who make this radio shows, you know, make it possible. Yes, Fun City Radio, English Connection, Success Radio. Yes, and the personalities, Sherry S, Jojo Mac, Lisa, Lady English, Lady Secret Rose, Ayana, yes, DJ Chris, DJ Caution, DJ Scorpion, Mikey Biggs, DJ Brian, Jeff Sarge, DJ Mac, DJ Randy, DJ Merciless, DJ RainCloud, you know that's me, DJ Remix, brother, out of Canada, yeah. Yes, DJ Andrew, Professor Hughes, yes, Supernatch, and the big man himself, Fenton Troy. Yes. And this is how we're gonna start the show off today, you know. Yes, we're just gonna give some Jamaica love out of Busy Signal. So keep it locked, that's right here is where it's at. Energy Radio 1. And it goes something like this. Yes. You just have to give love to each and every one, you know.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yeah, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping on the river when me ready for bed. No boy can't buy me out. Me no foreign minded, no way compared to Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna see Jamaica love. The one that represent the citizens of Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Represent where you want. Tune up hurricane and storm. From the crime rate drop, we no matter about tax man, still a hustler than a guan. Jamaican of the link to the link, thicker than Canadian, American, England. Make sure say when they are foreign and a hustle, I'ma visit Western Union. Don't make with the local foundation. All the hard man, them fear of ambition. Don't flash out all the money, but there's a split. Anything comes out, ammunition. Real Jamaican, don't show me you are. No matter which part of the world where you stand. Me no matter what they want to say about Jamaica, me sing it out loud, cause me proud to be one. Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna see Jamaica love. The one that represent the citizens of Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Pick up the youth, we are white car glass. Youth, we are trying always to come last. Don't give up, Jimmy Cliff, tell them many rivers to grass. Help out your sister if she get lost. Don't turn your face to the grass and pass. Show love to the elders, respect you, can them pave the way in the past. Some man want like say them better than people. Through them a drive a one vehicle. Vanity make them move evil. It easier for your camel pass through the eye of the eagle. And the rich because sit down in a heaven and bitch. That now when you and me ever hungry again, me a walk and look back. Every like a tree me a serve. Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna see Jamaica love. The one that represent the citizens of Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. Me there in a me yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Selfish and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping out the river when me ready for bed. No boy can't buy me out. Me no foreign minded, no way compared to Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica.
Yes, so just want to give a lot of love. Because you don't know. In times like these, we need each other, you know. Yeah man, give thanks and praises to the Most High every time. This one, called The Rebel in Me. And it's outer. The Navy.
If the
Made by nature.
Can't touch the rebel in you. And the rebel in you can't touch the rebel in me.
Big shout out to Islet out of Florida who tuning in.
It's gonna set us free. And you should bring out the rebel, bring out the rebel, bring out the rebel. If the lover in you can't touch the lover in me, and the lover in me can't touch the lover in you, and the lover we be will bring sweet harmony. Then it should bring out the love, bring out the love, bring out all the love. Touch